the flowers and go hide.
I'm scared.
Oh, Juliet, why did you have to die today? Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Leave me alone or I'll kill you.
Okay, but I'm really gonna hide.
You ate Juliet, now you're gonna eat me.
Wait. Stop, you villain. I'll arrest you.
Now we fight.
Ah! My body next to you.
What? You should be stinky by now. Why are you so beautiful? I love you.